Welcome to Techie. Today we're diving into Apple's major new device protection plan, AppleCare One. Apple officially announced AppleCare One on July 23, 2025. It launches in the US on July 24th. This new subscription allows you to protect up to 3 Apple devices, such as iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches, under a single plan for $19.99 per month, with each additional device added for $5.99 per month. The AppleCare One provides everything from AppleCare plus unlimited accidental damage repairs, drops, and spills, battery coverage 24/7, priority support, Apple certified service, locations, and for the first time, theft and loss coverage extends beyond iPhones to also include iPads and Apple Watches devices up to 4 years old, and headphones up to 1 year old. Can now be added provided they pass Apple's diagnostic check. This replaces the old 60-day post-purchase window of AppleCare, plus eligibility. Managing your coverage is seamless. If you trade in a covered device at Apple, the new one automatically swaps into your plan. You can add or remove items anytime, upgrade or downgrade, no lock in, full flexibility. Upon notes, you can save up to $11 per month when enrolling an iPhone, an iPad, and an Apple Watch together, compared to having separate AppleCare plus plans for each device. AppleCare One simplifies how you protect your Apple devices all under one roof, with flexible monthly billing, coverage for older devices, and inclusive protection that meets the modern needs of multi-device households. Thanks for watching with Techie. Tap like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so Techie keeps showing up in your feed.